Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where we bring the boldest, baddest, and most brilliant motorhome conversions to your screen. And trust me, this one's going to blow your mind. From the outside, it still has the soul of a highway beast. Sleek aerodynamic nose, LED lighting, chrome details, massive tires, and that unmistakable Kenworth stance. But take one step inside, and it's like stepping into a high-end New York apartment. This 2026 T680 conversion is packed with next-level design. The living area features 2 full-size recliners, real hardwood flooring, a smart fireplace, and a 55-inch 4K smart. Everything is voice-controlled, from lights to temperature to the shades. You can chill or entertain without ever touching a button. The kitchen? We're talking full residential setup. Granite look countertops, induction cooktop, stainless steel deep sink, a residential fridge with ice maker, microwave convection oven, and custom cabinetry. You'd never believe this is inside a semi. And wait until you see the bedroom. Queen-size memory foam bed with underbed storage, blackout curtains, ceiling-mounted AC venting, and overhead LED mood lighting. It's insulated for all seasons, and so quiet you could sleep through a thunderstorm. Now the bathroom, it's next level. Walk-in corner shower with rainfall head, marble look walls, modern vanity, backlit mirror, and a porcelain toilet. For real, this setup would shame most apartments. Power and off-grid covered, with roof-mounted solar, a 3,000-watt inverter, lithium battery bank, and a diesel generator. You can go completely off-grid for weeks. There's also a full water filtration system and a 100-gallon fresh tank on board. Let's talk control. Everything is synced to a touchscreen panel and mobile app. Lights, climate, power, tanks, slides, it's all in your hands. And yeah, it still hauls like a monster. With a turbocharged Packer engine under the hood, this T680 retains its power while offering air suspension and upgraded shocks for a ride that's smooth, even with all the weight on board. So why buy a house when your house can move? The 2026 Kenworth T680 motorhome doesn't just break expectations, it crushes them. Saitat, welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. If you're into wild conversions, luxury trucking, and next-gen motorhomes, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, would you live in a Kenworth? Thanks for riding along. Catch you in the next one, Road Warriors.